Alright guys, today I'll be telling you how to make a chess video. So first, what you want to come and do, you're going to go to the taskbar, you're going to type snipping tool. Once you've done that, you have this. What you're next going to do, you're going to click on new. You're going to select the area and you're going to click on start. After you've done that, you can record, and then once you can stop it at any time with this button, and you can start it. And once you have that, you have your recording, which you can edit in Clipchamp. I'm gonna do that. So we're going to drag in this, wait for it to load, and you can record.
Hey! Redo the video, we need some.
And next, you click on export. You can save it to here. I'm gonna do 480, and you're going to wait for it to download. You're going in here. You're going to type whatever you want, so like chess video, or well, let's just type video, and here you got it up in the top. And after you've done that, you're going to exit everything, and then you're going to go into Microsoft Edge. Now you're going to go into YouTube. You're going to go into create and upload video. This will take you to YouTube Studio, and you'll be able to upload the video here. You select file, go into downloads, and you click on the video and open. You're going to type the video, so I'm going to call it test and test. You can select this thumbnail. You can either make one, testing or auto-generate, so you can choose a random spot in the video for your thumbnail. And you can select the playlist. I got those two. And you can select if the video is made for kids or not. So I'm going to select no. Next. Here, you can add cards, but I'm not going to show you how to do that yet. Checks, it will check if there's anything. And visibility, you can have private, unlisted, or public. If you have public, you can set it as a premiere, and it will show the video when it's actually published in like a live stream. And in schedule, you can select when you want it to actually like be uploaded or set public. You can also click set as a premiere, and then check this. And once you've done that, you click on schedule, or it could be that, and then your video will be set to public on 23rd of March 2025 at 00. And once you've done that, you have a video which you can click on there, click on view on YouTube, and watch. Alright, I hope you enjoyed, and if it was helpful, leave a like and subscribe. So bye!